Today we're going to review Paw Patrol live at home. Okay, they're sneezing in it. Let's go back on here.
You sneeze. They always make me sneeze. Hey, hello, hi. You bite Frankie.
My Kitten Catastrophe crew will be finding 3 red clues with me today. My kittens always win. They always land on their feet. They're always the Well, if you have seen some cats, then that means
We'll head back to Racing HQ. Chocolata wants to lead in the cheering.
yeah, Paw Patrol is on. Achoo!
Gesundheit.